Open Zoom and use Coolpo Pana as webcam. Then, open Pana CoolpoTools app. From there, you can make adjustments in CoolpoTools and watch the changes in Zoom. The Mac OS allows you to simultaneously use both apps. Then save the changes before exiting. First, open the Zoom app and use Pana as webcam. Then open CoolpoTools. Unfortunately, Windows doesn't allow simultaneous use of both apps. To fix this, close Zoom's webcam. Once done, you can now make adjustments. Then, save the changes before exiting. Go back and open Zoom webcam to try it out.